Welcome to DFix Excel Tutorials. Let's explore how ChatGPT can assist us in constructing the present value PV at a capitalization rate of 10% for 10 years. Let's copy and paste the required information into ChatGPT to generate the formula and walk through the step-by-step process. 1. Enter the capitalization rate. In cell C2, type 10%. Now, copy the formula generated by ChatGPT and paste it into cell C7. 3. Copy the formula down. Drag the formula from C7 down to C16 to calculate the PV for years 1 through 10. This approach can be easily modified for different rates or time periods. Present value calculations are crucial in areas like investment analysis, loan repayment planning, project evaluation, and financial forecasting. Thank you for watching DFix Excel Tutorials. We hope you found this lesson valuable for your finance, career, or studies. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more practical Excel tips and tricks.